everyone, welcome back to Spill the Secrets. Today we're diving into natural remedies for those pesky blackheads. Let's get started. Before we jump into remedies, let's understand blackheads. Blackheads are a common skin concern that many people face, and they can be quite frustrating to deal with. But what exactly are they, and why do they form? They're tiny plugs that form in our pores from oil and dead skin cells. Our skin naturally produces oil, known as sebum, to keep it moisturized. However, when this oil mixes with dead skin cells, it can clog our pores. When exposed to air, they oxidize and turn dark. This is why blackheads have that characteristic dark appearance. The oxidation process is similar to how an apple turns brown when exposed to air. Unlike pimples, blackheads are usually painless but stubborn. While pimples can be red, inflamed, and sometimes painful, blackheads sit quietly on the surface of the skin, making them less noticeable but still a nuisance. Avoid squeezing them. It can lead to irritation and scarring. Squeezing blackheads can push the clog deeper into the pore, causing more problems and potentially leading to permanent scars. Let's focus on gentle, effective ways to remove blackheads naturally. There are many natural ingredients and methods that can help clear blackheads without causing harm to your skin. From using gentle exfoliants to incorporating certain oils and masks into your routine, there are plenty of options to explore. So stay tuned as we dive into these natural remedies and help you achieve clearer, healthier skin. Tempted to scrub your face hard? Don't. Harsh scrubbing strips natural oils, causing dryness and irritation. This can trigger more oil production and more blackheads. Opt for gentle exfoliation methods instead. Treat your skin with kindness to avoid further damage. Transform your skincare routine with these natural remedies. Always do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Everyone's skin is different, so find what works best for you. Now, let's dive into these remedies for clearer, healthier skin. Chapter 4: Baking Soda and Honey. In this chapter, we will explore the incredible benefits of using baking soda and honey as a natural skincare remedy. These two simple ingredients, often found in your kitchen, can work wonders for your skin. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Meanwhile, honey offers antibacterial and moisturizing benefits, making it perfect for soothing and healing the skin. To create this effective face mask, mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Stir the mixture well until it forms a smooth paste. This combination harnesses the power of both ingredients to cleanse and rejuvenate your skin. Gently apply the paste to areas of your face that are prone to blackheads or breakouts. Make sure to avoid the delicate eye area. Leave the mask on for 10-15 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. After the mask has set, rinse it off thoroughly with lukewarm water. The warmth of the water will help to open your pores, ensuring a deep cleanse. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. For optimal results, use this mask twice a week. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in the clarity and texture of your skin. Enjoy the natural glow and confidence that comes with clearer skin. Chapter 5: Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties. It contains salicylic acid, which helps unclog pores. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to blackhead-prone areas. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse off. Use regularly for best results. Aloe vera is a fantastic remedy for blackheads. Chapter 6: Honey and Milk Pore Strips. Combine honey's antibacterial properties with milk's lactic acid. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of milk. Warm the mixture and apply to blackhead-prone areas. Press a cotton strip onto the paste and wait 15-20 minutes. Peel off the strip to remove blackheads. Chapter 7: Honey and Cinnamon Strips. Honey and cinnamon work wonders in drawing out impurities. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply to blackhead-prone areas and press cotton strips onto the paste. Leave for 15 minutes, then peel off. Enjoy clearer skin. Chapter 8: Turmeric and Mint. Turmeric reduces inflammation while mint soothes the skin. Mix 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder with fresh mint juice. Apply to blackhead-prone areas and leave for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Use regularly for best results. Experience refreshed and revitalized skin. Chapter 9. Lemon Juice. Lemon juice is a natural astringent and rich in vitamin C. This powerful citrus fruit has been used for centuries in various cultures for its health and beauty benefits. Not only does it add a zesty flavor to your dishes, but it also works wonders for your skin. Apply fresh lemon juice to blackheads using a cotton ball. The citric acid in lemon juice helps to exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. This simple yet effective treatment can be done at home with minimal effort. Leave it on overnight and rinse off in the morning. This allows the lemon juice to work its magic while you sleep, giving your skin ample time to absorb the nutrients and benefits. In the morning, you'll wake up to a refreshed and rejuvenated complexion. Always use sunscreen during the day. Lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, so it's crucial to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Applying sunscreen will help prevent sunburn and further skin damage. Perform a patch test before full application. This is important to ensure that your skin does not have an adverse reaction to the lemon juice. Lemon juice helps keep your skin clear. With regular use, you can achieve a brighter, more even complexion. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate lemon juice into your skincare routine and enjoy the natural glow it brings to your skin. Chapter 10. Lemon and Milk. Combine lemon's citric acid with milk's lactic acid. Mix 4 teaspoons of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of milk. Apply to blackhead-prone areas and leave for 30 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Enjoy brighter, smoother skin. Chapter 11. Tomato Mask. Tomatoes shrink pores and control excess oil. Mash a ripe tomato and apply to blackhead-prone areas. Massage gently for 2 minutes. Leave on for 15 minutes, then rinse off. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants for healthier skin. Chapter 12. Green Tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Brew green tea and let it cool. Apply to blackheads using a cotton ball. Leave for 15 minutes, then rinse off. Incorporate into your daily routine for best results. Green tea helps reduce inflammation and tighten pores. Chapter 13. Oatmeal and rosewater. Oatmeal gently exfoliates while rosewater soothes the skin. Grind rolled oats into a fine powder. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal powder with 3 tablespoons of rosewater. Apply to blackhead-prone areas and leave for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Enjoy calm and balanced skin. Chapter 14. Apple cider vinegar and clay mask. Apple cider vinegar exfoliates while clay absorbs excess oil. Mix 1 teaspoon of clay powder with apple cider vinegar to form a paste. Apply to blackhead-prone areas and leave for 15-20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Experience detoxified and purified skin. Consistency is key for skincare. Incorporate these remedies regularly for best results. Consult a dermatologist if you have any concerns. Outro. Keep those pores clear. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, everyone's skin is unique. Be patient, be consistent, and listen to your skin. See you in the next video.